Hey YouTube, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I'm going to unbox Redmi Note 7s 48 megapixel AI camera based from Xiaomi. Here you can see is the Redmi Note 7s by Xiaomi, and I have the sapphire blue and the 464GB version of Note 7s. It also comes with a 3GB and 32GB version. The price I got it for is 13,000. I got it from MI store. You can say that it is the twin brother of Redmi Note 7 Pro because almost all of the features are same, just the processor is different. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox it. Okay, let's open it. So as I was saying, this is the twin brother of Redmi Note 7 Pro, only the processor is different. In Note 7 is it comes with a processor of Snapdragon 660, and in a Note 7 Pro the processor is 675. That is the only difference between Note 7 and Note 7s and Note 7 Pro. So here is the box is open. So this is the accessory box. The cover and the SIM card opener comes in this box. So this is the clear skin silicone cover, very flimsy and cheap nominal cover for protection. This is the manual and other manual stuff. So here is the SIM card removal pin, a basic thing that comes with every smartphone nowadays. And now here is the main attraction, the Redmi Note 7 is itself. So you can see it has a 6.3 inch Full HD display and 48 megapixel back camera. And wow, the back looks really nice. I don't know if the camera is able to capture it properly, but the gradient finish of this Redmi Note 7s in the sapphire blue looks amazing. Let's peel the skin off. Wow, the phone looks really good. And it feels really light and sleek in the hand, and I will recommend a cover to use because if you drop it from your hand then the back will shatter as it is made of glass. Wow, the back looks really nice, but at the same time it is a fingerprint magnet, as you guys can see that it has already picked up some fingerprints from my hand. So let's get to the body parts real quick. Here is the 48 megapixel AI dual camera, and on the right side we have the power button and the volume buttons. On the left side we have nothing. At the bottom we have the USB-C charging port, and at the top we have a IR blaster and a headphone jack. Okay, let's boot this up and let's see what it's all about. Okay, so as it is booting up, let's get the other accessories out of the box and see what are these. So here is the 5-volt 2 ampere fast charging adapter for this phone. This phone also supports quick charge, so you can buy a 5-volt 3 amp charger and charge it up, and it will charge real fast. And you guys can see the specification of this adapter. Let's peel the plastic off. Oh, I dropped it. Oh. Okay, let's put it aside. And here is the USB type C charging cable. You can see it is a USB type C. Okay, let's put it aside, and you guys can see that there is nothing else in the box, just it. Okay, so let me set up this MIUI real fast and then I will come back. Okay, so here I'm back and it is all set up. One thing I noticed about this phone, that the side bezels of this phone are really thick. It's not a big deal, but still a bezel-less phone is really eye attracting or eye catching more than this one. But still the display looks really nice and the top notch is not that annoying. as I was expecting to. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you like this video, then hit a like, and if you didn't, then the dislike button is also available. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe, and as always, goodbye. I'll see you in the next one.